So the legs and the head are basically the same shape, so just do this to all three of them. Holding all the tabs and sides in, basically. Like that, and then, like I said, just do that to those as well. And then the saddle, I might be doing it wrong, but you just kind of fold this here to where the pixel, there's 2 pixels and 2 pixels, and then I don't know, the side or whatever people put their legs in horses or something. And then the actual like strider string feather ear things, this is how they're going to be oriented on the side, and I just realized there's only actually enough for one side of the strider's head, so if you're gonna do the whole thing and be complete, you're gonna need 2 of these, so just an FYI. Alright, so I looked at the wiki, and this is, I think, where all the stringy head things go on the side. So you can, I'll just hold that up here so you can see. So there's one here, 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 and here. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So approximately where they go. If you want a much more accurate, then you can just look it up on the wiki and maybe try for yourself. Although it was angled shot of the strider, so difficult. But anyway, I'll show you how to do just the head, and then you can do the same technique for the 2 legs. So you're going to take some glue, put it on the tab here, then you flip this over, smooth the glue out, and then I fold it over, compress, get a nice tight bond there. Maybe do it another 1 or 2 more times, get a good bond there. And then fold these tabs in, take even more glue, blob, 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 go like that. Get some glue on the finger. Yes. And do that to the top. So it's like that, and then you're gonna make the legs, and you're gonna attach it to the bottom. But you'll know how to do that. I'm just gonna show the saddle for the top of the strider. So I don't know the exact texture, but I would say it's probably in the middle. So I'm not actually gonna glue it on there, except for a tiny part here at the center. I want to be able to move it around a little bit. I'm going to move it around, but take it off if I want to. So I'm just going to leave that there, and then put it like that. So there's just a little bit on there. Then I might tape these or something. Now I am going to show the Strider's stringy things here. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take some glue, and then I'm going to start to take the glue and put it in a little indent here. Then take this piece here, put it kind of like that, maybe a little bit of fold or something, although I'd rather not. Just kind of make it balance there. And I actually didn't even mean to have a little gap there, but it just worked out like that. So we put one of those there, one of these right there, the last one, put the longest one, I think. Angle it slightly downwards. And then I'm probably going to leave this to sit for a little bit, just so it doesn't fall off immediately after I move it. And then this is the final result right here. You know, the strings are like corresponding like this. So you will have to redo this entire process on the right sort of left side, whatever you want to call it, if you want it to be symmetrical. So then the only thing left to do the legs and attach it to the bottom with or without the saddle, and you should have something along the lines of this. Pretty cute strider. Subscribe for more. Sorry this was a short video, but that's going to be it for today. See you guys in my Discord or in a future video. Bye-bye.